How to fix you can't post on Facebook right now. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. You might be in the situation where you are trying to post something on Facebook but you are not being able to. So what you gotta do is to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, try to connect it to one and then try uploading the picture or video or anything you want to on Facebook. Or else you can simply close off the tab and then reopen it and try uploading the picture. If not, head over to your app store. In the source bar, search for Facebook. Move into this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're having this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update your app. Once you've got the updated version, try to upload the photo or video on Facebook and then you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.